Hey, how's everybody doing out there? It's Alexander Investment Insights. It's going to be another video. We're going to go over 3 stocks in this video. 1, Lululemon. 2, Starbucks. And 3, Ulta. And we're going to be looking at if they're approaching possible reversal levels back to the upside, right? So I'm going to start out with Lululemon and then the supports and resistances that I currently see on it, and then give you guys some insights. So we go down to the daily chart here. We have this support here at 307.50, which Lululemon tapped and reversed off of on May 29th, and then she's been creating a higher high and a higher high, and then breaking that high and then coming down. So we have a support here. We zoom all the way in. We have a support here, a small one at 307.50. If it could hold this support and then go back into the upside, we could possibly see Lulu up to 323.50. But if it breaks this support, so it could come like this, but if it breaks this support, we could definitely see it back down and to tap this support once again at 293. So just watch out for that on Lululemon, because we go to the weekly, we can see that we're at a pretty strong support already right here. So we're going to want to see if price wants to stall out again right here, or if it's going to boom back up to that upside. And we go out to the monthly, we're obviously having just a normal pullback, right? We see how much percentage this pullback is. That pullback was a 43% pullback, right? So and this one over here was also a 50% pullback. So we might have a little bit more room to go, but these are, or maybe not, but these are your levels that I'm seeing here on Lululemon. So just watch how price acts off this support right here at 307, whether it wants to continue up or crash back down to this support. Pretty simple. That'll set you up with some nice plays if you're focusing on what the price does, right? Always focus on what that price does. And to Starbucks Corporation, Starbucks holding our support nice. Once again, look how many times it's tapped my support at $79. 4 or 5 times now, right? So, and it hasn't wanted to break it. So this support at $79 is working. Let's go to the monthly chart and see what Starbucks has been up to. So, right, it's down again. It looks like it bottomed out right here potentially, and then since then it's came back up to the upside. Let's see how much that Starbucks from its peak to its trough at this point was down. This is down 43%, and from this peak is down 40%. So Starbucks might be recovering here. Like, once again, if I go to the daily, this was the bottom right here, and since then we've been having some nice higher highs. Then right here we're finding support. So just watch for this support. We might stall out here in this support for a while before we start going up again. But that's why I have these levels, this support right here, and this resistance right here. Because if this support doesn't get broken, then we could see price potentially shooting upwards to this resistance and then stalling out at this resistance, either coming down, stalling out, and then breaking up again like that, like how it does here. Boom, continuation plays. So just watch this support at $79 and then you'll be good. Starbucks. And then let's go to Ulta stock. Ulta stock down at this support here, not quite out of the support at 368, but it's almost there. We go to the monthly and we'll see how much that Ulta stock is down from its peak to its high. It's only down 35%, but it does have support right here that it gained support right here a lot. It was used as resistance back here, and then it was used as support once again, and it shot up. So it hasn't quite reached that support yet, but I'm looking at that at 368, and then if we come down here and we hold it, we're going to want to see some more higher highs before we go back up to this 449 level. But if we break it with force, then we're definitely going down to even cheaper prices, probably down here to like 330. So just watch that support at 368, and that's going to tell you where price is going to go, how price wants to move and such. So that's what I'm looking for on Ulta, Lululemon, and Starbucks. Just a few reversal plays and supports that I'm seeing. If they're able to bounce off these supports and then start breaking resistances and making higher highs, and higher lows, then that's how you know a stock is reversing back up to the upside. So just keep that in mind. Watch these 3 stocks for reversals and watch those supports and resistances. And other than that, I'm going to keep this video here, and you have a great rest of your weekend. Thank you.